Welcome back to Auto Verdict, your trusted destination for in-depth car reviews, where we bring you the latest and greatest from the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Ford Mustang, a true icon that's been updated for the modern enthusiast. Before we jump into the details, make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on all things cars. Let's keep you informed and entertained. The 2025 Mustang offers an exhilarating range of powertrains, starting with its engine options. Whether you're eyeing the robust V8, the efficient V6, or the turbocharged EcoBoost, the Mustang delivers a thrilling balance of horsepower and torque, ensuring performance is never compromised. Pair that with the available manual or automatic transmissions, offering precision through every gear, and you've got a driving experience that's second to none. Whether you prefer rear-wheel drive for that classic muscle car feel, or the practicality of all-wheel drive for added traction, there's something here for everyone. Inside, the Mustang keeps things exciting with a cabin designed to impress. Seating capacity fits four comfortably, with premium materials like leather and optional Alcantara, giving it a luxury touch. Heated and cooled seats, along with customizable ambient lighting, ensure comfort for every season and mood. The blend of technology and craftsmanship is evident, creating an interior you won't want to leave. Moving to the exterior, the 2025 Ford Mustang is all about boldness. The coupe body style exudes aggression and sophistication, with sleek dimensions and a wheelbase that provides excellent stability and handling. The aerodynamic design, complemented by LED lighting and a distinctive grille, turns heads whether parked or on the move. When it comes to suspension and handling, the Mustang continues to shine. Independent suspension ensures superior ride quality and control, while advanced shocks and precise rack and pinion steering make it a joy to drive on winding roads. Braking power is equally impressive, with large disc brakes providing confidence and control. Safety remains a priority with features like multiple airbags, ABS, and electronic stability control. These systems work seamlessly to provide peace of mind, ensuring that every journey is as secure as it is thrilling. Infotainment is cutting edge, with a user-friendly touchscreen system, GPS navigation, and seamless smartphone connectivity through Bluetooth. The premium audio system elevates every drive, whether you're cruising to your favorite playlist or tuning into a podcast. For those seeking more, the Mustang offers an array of upgrades, from luxury details like chrome accents and premium leather to performance.